Now cancel this 10 by 10, right? So now 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Right? Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So now in this question, here we have one division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 10. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 10 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction 5 upon 10 is equal to 10 upon 5, right? Times 10. Now 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So now 2 divided by 10 is equal to 20 times 10. So now 20 times 10 is equal to 200, right? So the correct answer is 200. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.